Hey there, today I'm going to show you how to use RankIQ to help you find keywords to go after, long tail keywords to go after for blog posts. Now, if you haven't watched my other RankIQ videos, I have the links to those in the description of this video. I have one showing you how to use RankIQ in general, so that's going to be different than today's video. And then I have one for you showing you new features RankIQ has come out with, etc., etc. So make sure you head over and watch those if you haven't yet. But today's is specifically showing you how to find long tail keywords if your niche is not in the drop down in RankIQ, the niche for your blog, right? Or if your keyword that you think you want to tackle is not showing up in the keyword library. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the process that I use, because a lot of times I'm going after blog post ideas that may not be very easy. Okay, and that's because my blog's been around a while, so I can typically go after a little more competition than maybe, say, a brand new blogger, or I may be updating an old post and I already have the content, so why not update it to try to make it perform the best it can, even if it's not something that would be really easy to rank for on the first page of Google. Okay, so that will make more sense as we dive into this. So today I'm going to use the example of how to change a flat tire. Okay. Say you want to write a blog post on this topic and you've come to RankIQ and you have no idea what niche that would even be. So as you can go to Keyword Library, if you're not familiar with it, this is the drop down, so you can select the niche that you currently blog in. Remember, RankIQ is created for bloggers, so that is what is so nice about this. So arts and crafts, business, home decor, oh my gosh, education, so many things. But what in the heck would how to change a flat tire fit under? I don't know. It may be in there, and you may want to spend the time scrolling down and looking, especially if you have a blog niche in where you talk a lot about tires and automotive or whatever. Maybe there is something in there. But let's act like there's not, okay? Because we can do that. So, how to change a flat tire? Well, shoot, I don't know what niche it's in. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to start broad. I'm going to start real big. So when you know that you want to write a blog post on changing a tire, the first thing I do is go tire. I'm typing in the word tire. And so many results may pop up, maybe not, depending on what the word is, may come up here in the keyword library. Well, chicken bouillon cube has nothing to do with how to change a tire. Bible verse, Corinthians, has nothing to do with changing a tire, I don't think. So don't waste your time, right? Let's narrow it down even more. Let's do how tire, nothing. Well, just make sure how to change a tire. Okay. Well, this is the point where you don't go, oh, forget it, RankIQ stinks, da, 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 da. That's not it at all. I want you to remember that RankIQ is a software that's created to give you long tail keywords and blog post ideas that you have a really good chance of ranking for on the first page of Google. That is what makes this so different than any other keyword software or SEO software out there. I know a lot of people who are like, Jessica, I love RankIQ, I really do, but none of my words are showing. Like, I can't get my long tail keyword to show up in the keyword library. That could be because of two things. One, RankIQ at the time of this recording is still a pretty new software. So they're still implementing niches and keywords and topics and things into the software. However, also remember that the keyword library that RankIQ is providing you, they're only providing keywords in that library that you have a good chance of ranking on the first page of Google for. Unlike key search or something else where they're throwing everything in. So, speaking of key search, let's hop on over there. How to change a flat tire. Now, if you are not familiar with key search, this is a video I have a video for another day that I am planning on doing for you, how to use key search, because it has been a great asset to the SEO in my business. But if you don't use key search, don't stop watching and think, oh my gosh, where's she going? Now it's a whole other software. No. I just want to show you a quick little example. Take key search, for example. It is an SEO keyword software. You can type in anything you want and it's going to show you every possible kind of keyword that you could use, right? So I'm looking here going, okay, how to change a flat tire, how to change a tire, how to change it. These are not saying that, oh, Jessica, when you write a blog post on these topics, you have a pretty good chance of ranking for it on the first page of Google because we've provided it right here. That's not what it is. They're simply giving you everything and giving you a score over here of what you may be able to judge or go after if you write that post. Whereas RankIQ, they're only showing you keywords that you should consider writing a post for because they have a better chance of ranking on the first page of Google. Do you see the difference in that? SEMrush, key search, things like that are showing you everything. RankIQ is doing the work by filtering out all the noise and all the extras that you probably can't rank for. Let's just use chocolate chip cookie. Air fryer chocolate chip cookies. You know you want to do a chocolate chip cookie recipe, but you know there is no way you will ever rank for that. Oh, but look here. If you do air fryer chocolate chip cookies, you could very well rank on the first page of Google for that. But you don't see just chocolate chip cookies here anywhere. Why? Because there's no way you're going to be able to rank for just that term. I mean, let me back up. There is a way. You could go very viral overnight, appear on a big TV show. You could, after some time, get some great domain authority. It's not impossible, but we're being realistic here, okay? So remember, that's the difference between RankIQ and why it's so great and how it's different. So let's go back to the tire changing analogy. Again, it's not showing up in the keyword library. So this is not where you go, oh shoot, well then I shouldn't write it. No, because if you want to write a post on that topic because you already have the content, it fits in well with your niche, you have readers asking for that content, whatever it may be, this doesn't mean you shouldn't write it. And you can still use RankIQ to build and write that post with that keyword term or that long tail keyword that you want to go after to help you rank better for it. Now, the good thing about this is if you want to go after how to change a tire, maybe just type in how to change, or maybe type in tire or whatever word that kind of goes in with your keyword phrase and see if anything down here pops up that's related to that so you could include that in your blog post that you're writing on how to change a tire. Or maybe you'll see something very relatable. For instance, I use this example a lot. I've had a popcorn ball recipe on my blog for years. It never ranked for anything. Popcorn balls was pretty competitive. Until one day I was in RankIQ and saw when I typed in popcorn balls because I wanted to update that blog post, and down here popped up popcorn balls without corn syrup. Well, I thought, I don't put corn syrup in my popcorn balls. I could just title my post popcorn balls without corn syrup. And so the reason I did that is because this software said that I'd have a pretty good chance of ranking for that on the first page of Google if I did that. Okay? So even though my original post was popcorn ball, actually I think it was popcorn ball recipe. Popcorn ball recipe is not in there, but look what it is. Popcorn ball recipe without corn syrup. And it made me go, whoa. So I could either leave my title popcorn ball recipe and write my post going after popcorn ball recipe, or I could switch it up a little bit. And there I am. That's my lifestyle blog. That's my recipe I updated with RankIQ. Yes, that is the first position on the first page of Google. Does that happen all the time? No. It depends on the term. It depends on a lot of things. Have I been blogging a long time? Yes, that's a factor as well. But I was never getting any traffic for popcorn balls. And if it wouldn't have been for RankIQ, I would have never known that accentuating that my recipe was made without corn syrup, I probably would have never ranked for it, right? So anyway, back to how to change a tire. even if it's not in here, even if you've removed some of this to try to find other little nuggets in here in the keyword library, if you can't find anything, that doesn't mean you can't write the post. And here's what you should do. Go back to home, type in how to change a flat tire, and click run report. What that's going to do, we're going to use this example here, how to cook a filet mignon roast. After you've run your report, it's going to pop up the keywords over here you should use when you're writing your report on how to change a tire. Okay, these will be tire related words, not filet mignon words. And you can write your post in WordPress, copy and paste it over here. You can write it over here in RankIQ, whatever floats your boat, however you like to do it. But that is just a different kind of way to look at it. Okay, sometimes we're so stuck in our ways or so narrow focused when we're working on stuff like this. It's important to think outside the box. Okay, and I just know some of you didn't know that you can use RankIQ to get these keywords for words that weren't showing up in the library, but you can. And I do that honestly more than using any other thing. I type in my own keyword and run a report for it. Just make sure you kind of vet out your keyword, your long tail keyword you're going after before you run your report so you don't waste a report on something. And to do that, I come over to key search and it helps me kind of fine tune what keyword I want to go after. Okay, because when you go to RankIQ and run a report for how to change a flat tire, you may get different results if you type in how to change a tire. Look at this. 22,200 people search a month how to change a tire. 3,600 people type in how to change a flat tire. So if you look at this, again, a video for another day on key search, and you go, oh, I could definitely rank for something that scored 39 way faster than I could 47. So I'm going to go after how to change a flat tire instead of how to change a tire. So you go over to RankIQ and run a report for how to change a flat tire, not how to change a tire. Okay? So I hope that was helpful. I will put the links in the description to my other RankIQ videos. I will also put a link to Key Search, my affiliate link to that, in case that is something you want to try out or take a look at. It is an amazing software. Again, I will record a video very soon on that. Let me know if you have any questions. And I will also put my affiliate link in for RankIQ if you want to use that. All right. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.